Ever seen someone yawn and then suddenly felt a huge, irresistible yawn coming on yourself? Why is yawning so contagious? It's not just because you're tired. Scientists believe it's a deep sign of empathy. It's triggered by mirror neurons in your brain, which are designed to copy the actions of people you connect with. It's an ancient, subconscious reflex for a social group to sync their state of mind and bond together. In fact, studies show that people who lack empathy, like psychopaths, are less likely to catch a yawn. So if you yawn during this video, it means you're a good person. Subscribe for more weird brain facts.